Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. It is an absolute beautiful day. There's not a breath of wind. It's a little warmer than it has been. The mosquitoes are even out. It's about 40 something degrees and mosquitoes are flying around, but it is beautiful out here today. So we're gonna get the kayak in the water and we're gonna head straight there, and we'll see you when we get fishing. Thank you guys so much for clicking on the video and tuning in. Maybe we could get out there today and make it happen. So fingers crossed, and let's get after it. Before I put the kayak in the water, I'll give you a little tour of my Hobie Outback Mirage, or Hobie Mirage Outback, whatever, however you say it. But I think this is the 13-foot or 11-foot one. I'll have to look at the serial number. It's been so long I hadn't. Mirage pedal drive. We got a micro anchor and Humminbird helix. I have a trolling motor. I have the Minn Kota Pinpoint, but I lost the remote last year fishing out here, or not last year, a couple months ago, and I haven't been fishing with it. So hopefully I'll get a remote soon and I'll start using the trolling motor, but for now the pedal's just fine. So all right, well, we'll see you when we get fishing. Alrighty, so we made it back to where we started yesterday. The tide's up. I'm gonna see if I can repeat the cycle and have the same amount of success. So yeah, I'm just gonna start. I'm already seeing movement everywhere. So I'm just gonna cruise the banks till this hopefully see something. Maybe do a little bit of casting, but go straight to that drop off that's about 10 feet and fishing it. See if we can get some bites in there early morning. So wish me luck. We're about to get after it. Get it right here. Little trout. First one of the morning. Well, beat the skunk, boy. Same place. Only go up from here. Yeah, I've using my Saragossa 5000 and my Penn Carnage 3. After losing that big fish last time, I want something a little heavier. Oh my gosh. Get him in there. Let's go. Whoa, I buried my freaking... It's had slack line when he hit it. There goes all my ducks. Y'all don't leave, y'all just push further up in here. I've seen them in here both days, so they ain't going too far. But yeah, big speckled trout. Actually, a lot bigger than the one I caught yesterday. That is a tank. Look at the belly on him. That is a big old speckled trout. All right, buddy. It's a fantastic start to the morning, dude. That was bigger than the last one I caught last video, and they're the same exact spot. He was probably an inch or two bigger, but he had a stomach on him, man. That bigger rod definitely helps. I'm just stoking right now. It's just sick. Maybe there's a big old redfish hanging out down there with him, but we gonna get this thing back out and try to pull another big girl out of there. A lot of you are probably wondering why I don't keep these fish. I consider a lot of these fish sport fish. I mean, I love eating fish, and if I need it bad enough or want it bad enough, I'll keep a couple, but I necessarily don't need these fish. So, and these are on the bigger side, so I'd like to let these bigger ones go, but one of these days I'll do a catch and cook, but for now it's just going to be a catch and release type of thing. Another big old trout. Good one. Whoa. That was so unexpected. Dude, I almost turned the camera. Oh, I started marking a bunch of fish off to my right over here. He ate that white one. But another healthy orange / yellowmouth. Alrighty. Whoa, that's a really big trout. No joke. No joke. No joke. No joke. No, I can't. Yeah, look at that thing. That is a toad. That is actually a monster. Oh, I marked him on the drop off. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Dude, that's a really, really, really nice trout. Oh goodness, boys. Right on that drop off. I've been sitting here, it's been kind of slow for a minute, but I kind of adjusted myself and started fishing one area, and first cast back on it. That is a I'll hold him up so you can see. It's these GoPros don't do it justice, but this is a huge trout. Look at the stomach on him. Look how wide he is. Come on, buddy. Be still for the camera. Stud. Stud. Look at that belly. He ate that chartreuse one. Let's go. Holy crap, that's a big white trout. Wow. That's a big white trout. I turned the camera off and was drifting backwards. I was kind of in the bank. Dude, look at that white trout. That is a stud. He'd eat really good. Yeah, these difference between the white trout and speckled trout. Speckled trout have a bunch of black dots. White trout will just be plain Jane like this. That's a freaking big one though. I got this 20-pound leader tied up with a tandem rig with two of the Z-Man prawn stars. I got that chartreuse green tail and that white one that I was using last video. But we're about to pull up on the point that I stopped and caught that speckled trout yesterday. Water in here is really clean right now. Maybe we'll mess around and find some fish. Put a little rod. We want that light tackle. Thinks I got some smell good on it. Gotta have that smell good. You don't have to have it. Maybe just bite down and hold on to it longer. Y'all, he ate it just sitting on the bottom. Y'all saw me getting that wind knot out. Oh, it's a big redfish. Okay, all right. Man, you can't make this up, y'all. That's why you add ProCure, because he ate it. Sitting on the bottom. I hadn't even seen him yet, but he's big.
Oh, it's a nice one. It's a really nice one. Whoa, he's a really big one. Really. Oh, oh my goodness. Yes! Yes! That's a stud on the light tackle. Oh. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, fish. Thank you, Lord. Y'all, he ate that while I was getting wind knot out. Huh. Well, here we go. Oh, man. That's a stud, boy. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Nice creek stud. Right in the corner. That is a nice fish, man. Big broomtail. Whew. We are definitely getting an underwater release to this guy. She was ready to go back. Sick. So sick, boys and girls. That's what we do it for. Alright, I'm gonna do some pulling around in this creek, see if I can see one. Got him. Got him. Maybe is the camera rolling? Yeah, so it got that eat. He's about to bolt. All right, that makes up for spooking those two big ones. Come on, buddy, let me get you. Yeah, boy. Well, that is our second redfish of the day. This water's so skinny I could see them moving around, but I just spooked two big ones, and then this guy decided to chomp, so let's get in here. I'm not going to underwater release, the water's way too dirty, so let's get a shot of him going back. Get big, buddy. I'll come back in here and catch you in a few years from now. Mission accomplished, man. Past few days have been solid fishing. I'm happy, man. I really am. Still want that sight casted one, but I don't know if I'm gonna get it in here. I might throw it back in there because when I spooked that one earlier. Alrighty, y'all, no luck on the sight casting. They had the water so stirred up because there's so many. I spooked a bunch. I landed that one just blind casting, but kind of had an idea where he was. I saw him bust, so I cast it over there. But I'm gonna fish this last point, and I'm gonna get out of here and call it a day. Alrighty, well, I'm starving and I've had a great day, so I'm gonna call it quits on that last fish. So thank you guys for clicking on the video. Super fun day, you know. Really can't say much more about it. It's super fun, super active. Saw plenty of fish, caught plenty of fish. So I'm satisfied, and I hope you guys are too. So yeah, if you don't mind smashing that like button, share and subscribe, it means the world to me. You know, a lot of hard work comes into making these videos, and I do this for you guys. So yep, thank you guys for tuning in once again, and we'll see you in the next one. Whew.